Ready.
Get it done, Gray.
Every Monday. It's so old. I hate doing it now.
Kill the sandbags, dude.
Hold up. Can we get back here?
You gotta force that thing down, man.
Yeah, it's just like last time. Alright. Go ahead and charge it. Go ahead and put it in automatic.
There you go.
Hold up. You ready? Ready! Alright. Where you, Bobby? Good, go.
Get it, Battle.
Sandbag. Lower. There you go. Alright, put on safe. Yeah, let's just say, pull the charging harrow to the rear. Keep it there.
Sorry, hey, Sergeant Proddy, I actually had to force the weapon downward when I was firing. It was not easy.
No more. Let me see that CLP.
Roger, Sergeant.
Go ahead. Hold up.
Hey, Gray, you want me to keep on recording, dude?
Oh, Saria, is the weapon on safe?
Yes.
Are we clear?
We're clear.
All right. Hey, let me get my 2 fires back up here.
Hey, Gray, you want me to stop recording, man?
Oh.
Yep.
That's what I got for you, Bobby. Yeah.